Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to install games in your PPSSPP emulator easily and the best settings to utilize to get the best performance and graphics while using your PPSSPP emulator. Now start by opening your Play Store and your App Store and then search for PPSSPP. Now once you search for this, you are going to see the free version and at the same time you are going to see the golden version. So you can go ahead and download any one of your choice. So you can see the gold version in here as well. So you can download any one of your choice. Now once you are done with that, go ahead and download this app. It's called Z Archiver. Now with the help of this app, you'll be able to actually extract your games that you'll be playing in your emulator. So make sure to install both of these to your device. Now once you are done, go ahead and open your emulator. Now once your emulator open for the first time, it's going to ask you to create a PSP folder. So go ahead and click on OK. It's going to take you to your main directory. Now you have to choose which folder you want it to utilize. As for me, I like it using my document section. So I'll click on document, I'll click on use this folder, I'll click on allow, and that's it. Now next I'll click on OK. So right now it have actually opened my interface, but you are seeing that there's no game in here to play. That's because I've not actually extracted any game. Now this is where Z Archiver app comes into play. Now go ahead and open your Z Archiver app and then locate any of your PSP game file. Now your game file is either going to be a zip file, or it's going to be a RAW file, or it's going to be a 7Z file. So once you go into your folder where you are keeping your games, in here you can actually see all my games that I have available. So I'm going to be extracting that of FIFA. So to extract this your game, just tap on it. So once you tap on it, click extract here and it's going to start extracting the game ISO file. Now once it's done extracting, all you have to do is hold down on that ISO file. Just hold down on it till you see this option that says cut. Then cut it and go back to your main directory and then locate your PSP folder. If you remember, my PSP folder is in documents, so you can see it in here, PSP. Then I'll go into the game section and I'll paste that game in here. Now once I've done this, all I have to do is now open my emulator once more. Now you can see that this emulator is still not showing any game. That's because the emulator do not know where I'm keeping my games. So I have to go ahead and show my emulator where I'm keeping these games. To do that, I'll click on browse. Once I click on browse, let me go back to my main directory. Then I'll go to my document section, PSP section, game section. You can see my game is in here. So I will click on use this folder, allow. And now you can see that the game is ready to play. Now you're actually going to need some settings that is going to give you best performance, best graphics and stuff like that when you're using your PPSSPP emulator. I already have a dedicated video for that and I'm going to recommend that video at the end of this video. So just stick around and towards the end of this video, you're going to get that video that will give you the best settings for best performance on your mobile devices. Alright, let's play this game and see how it goes.
Described it as an exhibition match. There are no league points at stake, but there isn't a single player out there who can't afford to give away too many free kicks,
Well, this fella certainly gets stuck in. I think he's lucky not to get a yellow card, Clive.
Didn't even force a save.
I bet he's been putting him in all week on the training ground, but when it mattered, he couldn't find it.
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.